Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Emma and karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto my video, and please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe down below. Touch the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video, and also please copy link with your friend or two, and finally hit that thumbs up button for a like so that I can get recommended to other people. Now usikose kuwatch video to the end. Don't fail to go to the end. Watch this video to the end. Adikauta, even if you will fast forward it, just watch it to the end. So today I'm here to show you a quick tutorial on how to groom your eyebrows, and I hope that you will get something here. It's very short, at most 5 to 10 minutes. 10 minutes it's on the higher side, but anyway, this is a very simple tutorial on how you can groom your eyebrows, and I hope that you can be able to see me here. Sijui kama unaweza niona, but anyway, we will figure that out time ya kuedit. So I've already done this tutorial before, and I've decided to redo this video again because I feel like I want to start a series on doing makeup from scratch, and I hope that you're going to interact with me in the comment section. Ask me questions. I'll be ready and more than ready and honored to answer your questions. So we are going to start, and let's get into the video.
Nothing that proceeds from these lips could be sufficient, even if I managed to say all I felt. So is it possible to let you know that I don't want another day to go by without you in the songs that I write?
So first thing first, I'd like to go first with my rose water to moisturize my face and just make it a little bit supple. So this is my rose water from, I think, Ideal, if I can remember. I just put it in a normal spray bottle that I used for my setting spray. So I'm just going to moisturize my face first with this. And then I'll take a small piece of cotton wool like this and soak it a little bit with the same rose water, and I'll use it to wipe off my eyebrows just to make sure that I'm working on clean skin. You can use any antiseptic that you have, but I don't want irritation. I'm just going to wipe like that. My face is not dirty. I just took a shower. So after my face is clean and moisturized, I'm going to allow it to dry a little bit as I talk about this tool. So this is a shaver. I got this from a beauty shop here at home, but you can get it on Jumia. I will link it down below in the description box, so feel free to go and view it down below. This is a shaver. This is the best thing you will have. This is a good alternative, especially if you need to see your eyes when you are shaving your eyebrows. When you use a razor, you can block your eyesight. No. But with this, it gives you an allowance kushikilia hapa ama hapa and shave without blocking your sight. Okay, so this only went for 50 bob where I got it from, but at Jumia I saw that they sold theirs in like packs of 5 or 3, and it's a little bit costly over there. So if you can get this, if you can source it at any local place, I'd advise you do that for yourself. So this one, I got this one. And so this tool, the fantastic thing about this tool is you do not need to use any petroleum jelly. Hey, petroleum. You don't need to use any petroleum jelly, and it works best when you are dry shaving. Yeah. So in my last tutorial I used Vaseline. I hope you can remember that. again, if you have not watched it, you can go watch it, then you can come and relate with this video. I used this petroleum jelly from Vaseline, and today I'll not be using any of that. So right now my face is dry, my eyebrows are dry. I'm just going to pick my mirror and go ahead and start shaving. So when you shave your eyebrows, make sure that you go with the natural lining of your eyebrows, and that is, you only want to shave the lower part and just a little bit of the upper part, just to frame it. Okay, you can take your eye pencil and line the bottom part of your eyebrows, or you can just freehand the way I usually do it. And personally, I'm experienced and I have done this for years, and it's kind of easy, and I kind of adapted. So if you're having a hard time, make sure I'm just encouraging you that soon it will get easier and easier and easier and fantastic. So don't worry, just use a regular eye pencil and only line, and make sure as you line, make sure it is to perfection. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to take my razor and my mirror from my eyeshadow palette, and make sure your razor is clean enough to go on your skin. Personally, my eyebrows are a little bit thin, and yeah, I just want to shape it a little bit. So I'll just trim this part and a little bit of on the top. Okay, this part and a little bit on the top. Okay, so we are going to start. I hope that you can see me. I don't want to lean forward. I can just zoom in the camera, and you will see. So I'm just going to use this front part from here to here. This is the amount of razor that will go onto my skin. See yote, not the whole thing. And I'm going to hold my razor this way.
There are melodies that emerge from my heart. Songs of love, songs of hurt, that make a beautiful art. But the songs I'll never write, I would keep me up at night. 'Cause I'm afraid I left something unsaid. Did I make sure I made you feel like nothing else mattered in the world? But nothing that proceeds from these lips could be sufficient, even if I managed to say all I felt. Is it possible to let you know that I don't want another day to go by without you in the songs that I write?
And you can already see a difference between this side and this side. This side is a little bit even highlighted. You can see that. So I am going to repeat the same process on the other side.
But if I could summarize that pair of eyes in a sentence, I would never grow tired of the phrase. Did I make sure I made you feel like nothing else mattered in the world? Nothing that proceeds from these lips could be sufficient, even if I managed to say all I felt. So is it possible to let you know that I don't want another day to go by without you in the songs that I write?
So I'm pretty much done with trimming on the edges of my eyebrows, and the other thing you ought to do is trim the length of your eyebrows. Personally, mine are already trimmed because sijaka sana from trimming my eyebrows, so I won't do that process right now. But what you do is take your spoolie brush and comb your eyebrows ukienda juu. You do. Once you do that, you'll be able to see whether you will need to trim the length of your eyebrows or not. If they are too bushy, you will need to trim the length. If they are okay like mine, a little bit thin, don't trim the length. Personally, I do like them the way they are, and I like to trim them, especially if you are someone to do the soap technique on your eyebrows. I prefer that you trim the length of your eyebrows. So the last step to this procedure is just repeat the first step that we did. Take a little bit of cotton wool and saturate it with a little bit of rose water oil and just wipe. It will prevent you from itching. Itching comes after you have shaved. So afterwards, I am done. And the last thing you would want to do is take your Vaseline. Take a little bit. I won't put much because I'm about to do my makeup. Take a little bit and apply it on the shaved part of your eyebrows, and make sure everything is okay and supple. Use some Vaseline, and guess what? That's it.
Is it possible to let you know that I don't want another day to go by without you in the songs that I write? Everything has been used and worn out. Every note, every word, all go a similar route. But if I could summarize that hair of ours in a sentence, I would never grow tired of the phrase